Hello everybody. I wanted to say I do post a lot of cameras, set a lot of cameras out in the field, in the woods of Vermont, and I do have quite a few cameras that I enjoy putting out and setting out to collect game footage. This camera in particular is a Gosira, and there's a few things that I use in all my cameras to ensure that not only do I get good quality footage, I don't have any issues with the camera. The camera's protected, and also some personal things that I use not only to get a good quality, but also it takes the best pictures, and also the camera's protected. One thing that I always use is I use Energizer lithium batteries. I use them in all my cameras. They last quite some time. There's no immediate battery drain with each picture. It's very good, and videos quality is very good. I also use a this particular one is a Max Flash camera or SD card holder that I use, and this particular one puts 8 cards in. So when I'm out in the field, not only protected, but I have everything I need right there. I use the best SD cards. They're the SanDisk 32 gigabyte, and then I use those, and then I also use the Python locks that go through the back of the camera, and I also use a padlock here. Now this ensures not only the camera's safety from, I've had bears come in and push themselves on this and rub themselves on the cameras, so the cameras are pointing to where I want them to. They don't move, and they're well protected, they're safe. It gives me peace of mind that the camera is there when I come back after my long hike of getting it. And also, and that's about it. So these are the 1, 2, 3 things, and also the card holder that I use to ensure I get the best footage, best protection, and my cameras can stay out. I leave my cameras out for a couple months at a time, and also when I'm doing this, I will also spray some scent control on my hands, and I do a little bit on the batteries themselves, because when this is out in the field, all your scent over a period of time is gone. It's what they smell inside the camera, in the compartment where you're touching here in your home. You put all the batteries in that the animals smell. So I'll be showing videos and footage to this, pictures, when I collect them out in the field, and I'm doing this little review inside because of the snow. It's snowing out, and when I do collect these later in a month or two, I will have to snowshoe in to get them. So thanks for watching, and please leave a comment and a like to my video, and see you later. Bye.